what's going on, everybody? As some of you already know, I decided to turbocharge my daily driver. My daily driver is a 2007 Honda Civic base model LX. And yes, it is an automatic transmission, sadly, but we're still going to go through this whole process and turbocharge the living hell out of it. Now, a lot of people that modify cars, tune cars and whatnot, they skip out on the most crucial step, which is tuning the vehicle, adjusting parameters so the car runs properly. I've seen people turbocharge cars running the factory ECU, and that is a big no-no. So through other people's mistakes, blown motors and whatnot, we're making an educated decision to buy the tuning software first. And the beauty of this is we're going to be learning how to tune the vehicle ourselves, adjust parameters. So you're going to learn a lot on the series following this. And on this video, guys, we're going to be unboxing this little puppy that costs a lot of money retail. But you already know Bully Kid did not pay retail for this. We got a deal like everything else on the channel. Like this whole turbo kit, we are going super budget, but we're going to try to make it work. Whether it's going to work or not, we'll find out. But you get what you pay for in a lot of situations. And this right here is the biggest piece of the puzzle. This is going to cost you a lot for the build. Unless you can get it cheaper, I'll tell you guys the price of this that I paid at the end of the video. So keep watching. Before we get to the unboxing, I just want to summarize what this device does. This device lets you monitor your vehicle sensors, everything that's going on in the vehicle. It's monitoring it. And you can also adjust different parameters. You can adjust the amount of fuel that goes into the engine, when the spark plugs fire. You can adjust so many things from this that this is an absolute must and a necessity when you're adding a turbocharger to the vehicle. That's in simple terms, guys. You need this for your vehicle if you're modifying it. All right, guys, so Hondata Flashpro. This is the box it is going to be coming with. It does have its own serial number. Pretty small packaging, pretty simple product design. We're going to go ahead and unbox it right here. Again, I bought this product used. I am not going to pay retail. Brand new, this product retails for around $690 to $700, which is a lot of money, especially if you're using it and installing it on a daily driver like a base model Civic non-SI model. Then that is a lot of money. Anyway, inside the packaging you got the actual Hondata software. This is the beauty and the brains behind modifying your vehicle. And you got some cables here that come with it. Look at some paperwork here. All right, so again, this is the software. On one end of this device you have your OBD2 port. This plugs into your computer and it flashes tunes and data logs onto this device. You can also attach another cable that goes into here, and this cable is going to be connected via USB into your laptop, so you can actually monitor in the car all the parameters that the car is seeing, your fuel ratios, ignition timing, boost pressure and whatnot, anything pretty much you can name. So very nice, compact for the most part, pretty simple design. There's a couple things I wish Hondata did differently. I wish this was actually not hardwired. I wish this was just a Bluetooth device where this doesn't have to be hardwired in there. And then I wish there was a screen on the Hondata. Again, I know a lot of the Cobb access ports people use to tune some of their cars. A lot of these newer ones have screens on here, which makes it really portable. If you don't have a laptop, you can just select options through the little screen. And also you can monitor certain parameters from the actual device while you're driving, and you don't have to have your laptop again, which is great. But overall, guys, again, this product is one of the best ones, and that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing to it. A lot of money if you're paying retail, but I didn't pay retail. So how much do you guys think I paid for this? Well, if you guessed anything over $500, you're wrong. I'll eliminate you right now. Again, retail, this is around $700. And I got it used from my boy Dylan, which came through, hooked it up. we found them on Marketplace, and we found them on Marketplace on a Honda Civic forum, and we bought it for $250. And guys, that was an absolute steal for me, I believe. I know the market's not that hot for these 1.8 liter base model Civics with Hondata, but my budget was originally $400, and I'm so happy I was able to pick this up for $250, because that brings the turbo kit budget way lower. So we are going to be able to make this turbo kit work for a small budget that I've planned. Again, I'm very excited for this. Hopefully it goes through. Hopefully we don't have any problems in between tuning the car naturally aspirated, because that's what we're going to tackle first. We're going to adjust parameters while the car is stock, and then as we get the parts in, we're going to be adjusting, installing, and whatnot. But I do need you guys to subscribe to the channel, like the damn video, and follow the journey. So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see us.